Good morning, my name is Jeremy from Woodland Archery, or Bay's family on Etsy, and I'm here today to show you some simple tips to string and shoot a simple PVC bow. So first of all, when you get your PVC bow, it's going to look pretty much like this. It'll have the bow and a string as well. So when you find your string, there's two loops on it. One loop goes over the top, pretty simple there, right? Next loop goes over here, but if you see, hey, I can't quite reach, so we got to do something about that. A bow is bent on purpose, right? So we need to bend it. Right, so I'm going to have one end on one side. The other end is going to be on the other. I'm just going to take my knee right here and slowly press it as I'm pulling it back. And notch it over the string. Alright, so now that it's on the string, it should look like this. Should be pretty easy to do. So, pretty easy to pull back there. So, what we need to do now is we need to take our arrow. Now, for a right-handed archer is going to hold the bow in their left hand. So this is my left hand here. I'm holding it there. And as you can see, there's two sides of my fist. There's the knuckle side over here, and then there's the finger side over here. You want to place the arrow on the knuckle side and also notch it on the string in the back here. So there on the back, it's on the string. In the front, it's on the knuckle side. So from here, from the string, a good technique, there's a couple different ways of doing it, but I like to say make the number 3 with your fingers. So you give me 3 fingers. Put one on top, 2 on the bottom of the arrow. So one goes on top, 2 on the bottom, and they kind of pinch together. Then pulling straight back. Once again, these are small arrows, so they're not going to pull too far. Pulling straight back. When you're ready, release your fingers and the arrow flies to the target. So 1 on top, 2 on the bottom, pull straight back, and then just release. You're good to go. There's a couple different ways to do it too. You can also pinch. So when you pinch, you're going to use the thumb and your forefinger here to pinch like this to pull it back. That's a little bit harder. That's what most people try to do at first. And that's actually harder because your thumb's doing a lot of the work. So you're going to use, the best way is the 1 on top, 2 on the bottom, kind of pinching and pulling straight back. And so that way, you're pulling back, you let go. And your arrows can fly. How do you aim? Basically, you look at your target, kind of like in some movies, aim small, miss small. You look at your target, you're focusing on your target, and it's called instinctive aiming. You just kind of focus there, pull back, and let go. Now, so for more advanced archers, if you have a bigger bow or something, this is a smaller kid's bow, but the bigger bow, the back arm has some important movements as well. When we go back, we want to take our elbow and we want to keep it straight back. We want to keep it in line with our front hand. So you can see it's kind of a T, or it's a line. You don't want it up like that, down like that, or chicken wings like that. You want to pull it back straight. The other thing is an anchor point. These are more advanced techniques. So an anchor point is a place on your face that you always pull back to. Right here, the end of my chin, I'm going to pull back to that point every time for me. Maybe for you, it's going to be up higher, over to your corner of your mouth, over to the front of your mouth, whatever it might be. But each time it's consistent, you're pulling a certain distance and you're letting it fly that way. Once again, let's go through everything together really quickly, okay? On the front, you want it on the knuckle side. On the string, 1 on top, 2 on the bottom, pinching. Pulling straight back, your elbow in line with your hand up here to an anchor point, and then just a release. Very simple, very quick release. These aren't bows that you hold. You don't hold it like there for 10 minutes and then let go. It's exaggerating. It's a fast thing, so it's bam, like that. So once again, Jeremy from Woodland Archery, or Bay's family on Etsy. Hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help. This video isn't very well done. I know I'm going to get something better in the future, but I just wanted to throw something up there to help you right now. Thanks.